Now that you have completed level 1 of level 3 of the tutorial process, we're going to go ahead and show you how to unlock level 2. As you can see under your profile, you will always have an indication in terms of what level you are. Should you wish to bypass all the levels, just simply type in "Say Yes to Genius" under the profile section on this page. However, if you would like to proceed with the levels, click on the support icon on the bottom left, and as you can see, level 1 is complete. For level 2, we need to click on the review percent rectification. If you tap on that, it will give you the instructions on what you need to do. So to proceed to level 3, we need to provide balancing of 1 minute or more so that the percent rectification can appear. So as you can see, we've dragged 5 items and we're now playing these tones for 1 minute. Once the minute is complete, it will then give us the percent rectifications on the bottom of the screen, as you can see. This indicates we have completed one of the functions necessary to proceed to level 3. As we can see on the navigation, level 2, we have a checkbox on the first function. The next is the balance all or the quick balance. That is controlled by the yellow slider on the right hand side. Slide that up and down and that will set the time for the quick balance. Let's go ahead and review, and as you can see, we have now completed the balance all. The last one is to back up our data to the Cloud Genie database. And to do this, you can click on the navigation in the top right hand corner and then go all the way down to your settings icon. Select your settings icon and then proceed to back up your database. That is all you need to do for level 2.